Hello, my name is Bryce Dobbs, and I'm going to talk about my third exhibit, which is Exhibit C, the Pridey Family Foundation Freedom Theater. This film focuses on what was at stake during World War II and the meaning of the Allied victory and how we accomplished everything that we did. It was produced by THC Creative, and this film shows us how freedom almost vanished from the world from 1930 to 1940. Next, this film also shows us the efforts to promote and protect freedoms. During this film, the audience platform will actually rotate, and it's just a different feeling from all the other films. I got both of my pictures from the National World War II Museum.